Good morning, children. This is Shrival sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter 10 of math step. So here in this video, I'm gonna explain about some important concepts of prime numbers, composite numbers, and common factors. So let us have a look. Question number 1 of exercise 10. Children, the first question is about pick the factors of 9 from the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Children, let me write a number 9. Now, let us write the numbers. Those number can divide 9. I mean to say, the numbers which divide 9 are known as the factors of 9 for any number. Suppose if I write 12, so what are the numbers can divide 12? The numbers can divide 12 are 1, can divide 12. 1 is the universal factor of like any number. 1 can divide any number in the world. Then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Like factors when we are talking about factors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 12 itself. These numbers can divide 12 completely, means no remainder will be left. So when we are talking about the factors of 9, the factors of 9 are, children, 1, of course, we know that 1 can factorize any number, then 3, then 9 itself. These numbers are the factors of 9. Okay. So the question was pick the factors of 9 from the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So of course the factors are 3 and 9 from the list, which are factors of 9. So that way we can write our answer. Now children, let us talk about question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is about write the common factors of 36 and 24. So before we find the common factors, let us find out all the factors of 24 and 36. So factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 8, then 12, after 12, 24 itself. These are the factors of 24. Let us write all the factors of 36. What are the factors of 36, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. Okay. Then after 9, 10, no, not 11, 12. Okay. After 12, 13, no, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, no, 18 can divide 36, then directly 36 itself. So children, when we're talking about common factors, now we will find out the pairs of similar numbers from both the list. Okay. So here we can see 1. 1 is common. Common means which is present in both the places is called common. So 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 12. These numbers are the factors of 24 and 36. So that is only the answer. These are the common factors. So I believe it's clear to everyone, children. This is how we have to deal with such kind of things. Now children, let us talk about something very interesting, which is question number 4. Number 3 is about multiples. I know this is very easy to understand. You know what is multiples. So like instead of explaining question number 3, I wanted to understand question number 4. Let's talk about prime numbers and composite numbers. Children, what is the meaning of prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which has only two factors. Which have only two factors, 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. For an example, a number I'm writing is 11. 11 has got only two factors, 1 and 11 itself. Suppose I'm writing a number 13. The number 13 has got only two factors, 1 and 13 itself. Next number is, suppose I'm saying 17. 17 has got only two factors, 1 and 17 itself. Suppose I'm saying a number that is 19. 19 has got only two factors, 1 and 19. So children, all these numbers 11, 13, 17, 19, more are there. These numbers are called prime numbers. They are called prime numbers because they have got only two factors, 1 and itself. Now children, let us understand about composite numbers. Composite numbers, the numbers which are having more than two factors, are called composite numbers. Composite numbers are having like more than two factors. Suppose children, I'm writing 12. 12 has got so many factors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 12 itself. See children, so many factors over here. Suppose I'm writing children 9. 9 has got how many factors? 1, 3, 9. More than two factors. Suppose I'm saying a number that is 8. 8 has got how many factors? 1, 2, 4 and 8 itself. So many factors. So all these numbers 8, 9, 12, all these numbers are example of composite numbers. All these numbers are composite numbers because they are having the factors more than 2. So children, this was the primary concept of prime and composite numbers. The questions which are given to solve on the basis of concept of common factors, prime numbers and composite numbers must be solved and should be submitted in the Google Classroom. If there is any doubts and confusions, feel free to speak. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you so much. Take care everyone. Bye-bye.